That's right. You're all idiots. All 2,271 of you, and counting. Honestly, I'm actually surprised that I managed to fool that many people. Hell, I even managed to fool a reputable news company. Know this. Though, to be fair, most people don't have a Nintendo developer account. But you can just get one for basically nothing. Just give them your email, a password, your name, and bam! Instant access to... not much. Well, there's confidential documents related to Mii usage, but that's not much in my opinion. And you also need to request access to the Nintendo Switch stuff. So how did I make the screenshot then? A little old, very, very obscure pair of tools that not many people know about anymore, known as Inspect Element and Photoshop CS6. First, I use Inspect Element to make the page say different things. Then I take a screenshot and crop out the irrelevant bits. And lastly, I add in the Nintendo Switch banner. To visualize all that, this is basically what I did. Now, you're all probably wondering how I ran the app on a Nintendo Switch, if it's not actually available for the Switch. That's also incredibly easy. Just run Android on your Switch. In fact, the rest of this video will be a guide on how to get the app running. However, I do think I should state that I do genuinely think you're all better off using the app on a regular Android or iOS device, but I won't stop you. I'm also not responsible, though, if you end up doing something wrong and breaking your Nintendo Switch in the process, but as long as you follow the instructions very well, that's not really going to happen. First things first, check if your Nintendo Switch is unpatched. Light and OLED models are just patched by default and need hardware mods to run Homebrew. Only some original model Switches are unpatched, so go check your serial number with this page. Then, follow this guide to hack your Switch. I cannot overstate the importance that you follow this guide specifically because, my god, video guides just lead to bricks. Mostly because they're outdated, but also because some people that make video guides tend to modify a few things, which can lead to bricks. Then, once you have a basic homebrew setup with a Kate and Atmosphere, follow this guide to get Android running. Make sure you use the tablet version of Android. Personally, I use two SD cards, one for running regular homebrew, and another for running Android. Now that you have Android running and set up on your Switch, let's get down to installing the app. Firstly, just go to Google Play and sign in if you haven't already, or make a Google account if you somehow by this point don't already have one, even though you're watching a YouTube video. Just download the app from Google Play, then open it, and it's mostly ready to go. But what if you want to sign in and use your LEGO account to sync your progress across your devices, like I would? That, for some godforsaken reason, requires downloading Google Chrome. Signing in just leads to a URL that the default Android browser can't understand, so that is why we need Chrome. Just go to the Play Store, install Chrome, then try signing in again. This time, it'll run in a Chrome applet instead now, so it'll work. And you can just sign in. Now you can just use the app as you would on any other Android device. I'm honestly not sure how to end the video here, but like, subscribe, rate 5 stars, share to your friends, and thanks for watching.